Hello, I'm Dr. Shelia. I'm a board-certified family medicine physician with a master's degree in psychology. I've been practicing medicine for over 25 years. I'm here to simplify your health journey and be here with you every step of the way to encourage you. Most of my patients have struggled with eating healthy, as I'm sure you do. You battle a constant barrage of ads for fast food restaurants, poor quality processed foods, lifestyle and time pressures. You really can't be expected to turn your life upside down to eat better. Now's the time to stop being frustrated. Let's eat better and make life easier. Let's start our journey as we always will, formulating our recommendations based on evidence-based medicine. There'll be 3 studies linked in the bio: the Nurses' Health Study, the Mediterranean Diet Study, and the DASH Study. Based on these studies, here are some recommendations for improving your diet. Number 1, focus on plant-based foods. Aim to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, nutrients that are essential for your body's good health. Number 2, choose healthy fats. Instead of saturated and trans fats, those things that are found in things like butter, red meats, processed foods, choose healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. These fats can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Whoop! 3, limit added sugars and salt. Try to limit your intake of added sugars found in things like soda, candy, and processed baked goods, and salt, which are found in many packaged and processed foods. Too much of these can increase your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. Here are some recommended changes. Number 1, cut sugary drinks or snacks. Substitute your favorite fruits, nuts for processed foods. Number 2, add 2 to 3 of your favorite fruits and vegetables daily. Number 3, change the fats you cook with. Go to avocado oil, olive oil, seed-based or plant-based oils. Add soluble fiber to your diet. These are mostly found in fresh fruits and vegetables. Substitute unprocessed, easy-to-prep foods for processed convenience foods. Switch from white to whole grain breads and pastas. I want you to look at this list and pick one easy-to-implement change, one that's going to be enjoyable for you. And I want you to practice that change for at least a month. Once you feel comfortable, I want you to go back to the list and add another. These small, gradual changes are much more likely to become permanent. And you're also learning valuable, life-changing skills. Once you master the ability to make slow, gradual change, you can go farther than you ever imagined. And last but most importantly, number 1 of Dr. Sheila's life rules. I want you to implement this immediately throughout your life. The number 1 rule is be kind to yourself. Treat yourself as you treat your best friends, your favorite family members. This will allow you to grow, learn from your mistakes, and enjoy your life. Join me for our next episode, which will be about integrating physical activity into your life. If you enjoyed this episode and want to continue on our journey, please subscribe and like. It was a pleasure to be with you.